Welcome to watch this video. Assessing your librarians. Making employment with outreach librarians, part 2. Hi, my name is Kathy Wu. I'm the Government Information Librarian and the Outreach Librarian for Economics, Music, and Law at the University of Rochester. Did you have course-related or subject-specific research questions and need in-depth research assistance for your project or coursework? This short video will show you how to get hold of your subject librarian and make an appointment with your subject librarian. First, you need to go to the River Campus Library's website. The library website URL is listed here. When you are on the River Campus Library website, scroll down to Featured Resources and select Research Guides. On your screen, you will see 3 columns. One column is marked as Subject Guides. Select a subject of your choice from the Subject Guides list. For example, I select Economics. After you select a subject, you will be redirected to a web page that lists all the library guides related to the subject of your choice. In my case, I see all the economic-related library guides. On the right-hand panel, you'll see the subject librarian profile box, which contains a schedule appointment button. Click that button to make an appointment with your subject librarian. After clicking the button, you will see a calendar-like pop-up window shows on your screen. This is my calendar that you're seeing on this screen, and you can see my availability. So, the same way, pick up a day and a time that works for you and your subject librarian, and then submit your appointment request. You will hear from your librarian to confirm your appointment. Good luck with your research.